The Educational Center for Social Science Research Counseling and Training today conducted a webinar titled Effective Communication Skills for Everyday Success. The webinar, through sharing of knowledge and experiences, intends to develop the communication skills of the participants. The webinar, hosted on Google Meet and live stream on the YouTube channel of ECSSRCT. Freelance soft skill trainer Bayar Jingwat Kharbali stressed on the importance of effective communication as it promotes confidence and motivation, improves one's performance, and helps in achieving desired results and outcome. He also highlighted on the process of communication, the different barriers of communication, and how to overcome these barriers. Kharbuli said the communication is an important aspect of our daily life and it happens everywhere from our family life, our place of work, our learning environment, school, colleges, etc. Communication is simply the passing of information from one person to another person through a medium or aid. But whether the information or message is clearly understood by the recipient is another aspect that needs to be looked into. Kharbali also said that communicating effectively is important for ensuring that the recipient understands the message and responds to it. It also reduces confusion, conflicts, and results in better understanding among individuals. More than 300 students who have completed different level of their education, postgraduate, graduate, HSSLC and SSLC from the different schools and colleges in Shillong and other districts in the state have registered and participated in the event. Around 79% of the participants have expressed satisfied with the webinar.